So, girls, listen here. Yesterday, I was thinking about that in school. Nowadays, in school and colleges, music dance lectures are not there. In some colleges, some schools are there, but in our here schools means music dance lectures are not there. Mostly sports lectures are there. So, as per my view, I think music dance is very important. Okay, to improve ourselves. And if music dance lecture, it will be there. Then students will curious to come every day in school. They will get enjoyment. Okay, they can means they can improve their self. They can make career also in this quality. Okay, so here today's your group discussion point is that is music is music an important subject in school and college level? Yes or no? Okay, you have to put your views. It's a group discussion. Is music an important subject? Yes or no? If yes, then why? If no, then why? Okay, so you give your short introduction and then start. Understood? No? Is music an important subject? Is music an important subject? Yes, then why? No, then why? Okay. Yes. Yes.
Hello friends, my name is Chinmay Parab. I am from Asoli.
I am from.
I am from Asoli. My debate name is Music is important subject.
Hello friends, my name is Vaishali Naik. I from Asuli. My subject name is music, important subject.
Hello friends, my name is Lavina Kapdi. I from Dhakore. My debate point is music isn't as important subject.
Hello friends, my name is Poonam Pallav. I am from Dhakore. My debate point is music isn't its important subject.
So here group discussion. So you have to put your views. Okay. Just don't think about your mistake. Just talk freely and confidently. And you forget it. You're front of the camera.
Music is important way to express feelings and emotions.
No, I disagree with your point. Um, for the school student, our music is a necessary subject because they are not attention in your study and they full attention in your music period and music practice.
Means she is talking about if music lecture will be there, then they will not give attention. They will curious about they will curious next lecture will be music. So they will focus on their only music.
Yeah, I agree point, but music is great important in our lives.
Life, day to day life.
No, I object to your point. Music is not important subject because if is compulsory is school students for do not focus on study.
If she is talking about if music lecture is compulsory, then they will not focus on study. They will concentrate only music. They will sing full day in music only. She is talking about that.
I agree point, but full day in school, children bore in lecture. They will be music periods. Enjoy the periods.
Okay, means their mind can be refreshed if music lecture will be there then.
No, I disagree your point. Music is not important subject because students will not focus on study. They will see only holiday music videos. Only then mobile through.
Okay, means she's talking about if music lecture will be there, then they will see whole day music videos. Okay, means why they will see for improving their music. Okay,
Yeah, I agree point, but some students have God gift. They join the class. He make the career in singing.
okay, means see. Sometimes some students have a good quality or a God gift, so they can improve their skill and they can open their own academy also, and they can take classes. Okay, and they can maintain their self.
No, I object to your point. Some students are going to music classes. They do not focus on study. Their mark is decreased only than music.
Okay. Did you agree that? Do you agree? Tell that. Come forward.
No, I no agree point.
No, I don't agree.
No, I don't agree because music is most popular in the
In the world.
in the world.
Yeah.
Um,
Yes, I have seen also so many students. They are attending a music lecture, but they can handle very well their study. No. Yes. Okay.
There are many types music of like pop, classics, and rock.
Some students are don't like the music and other activities, for example, dancing and sport.
They can make career in that. Okay. Means she's talking about other activities are also there. Other activities are also there. They can make career in that only, in that field also.
We like to hum and classic with music.
Hymns you're talking. Bhajan and
Other activity you can get happiness, dancing, writing in your best.
music are also best.
Yeah, agree point. But
I agree your point.
I agree your point. But music is सगळ्या people's आवडतं.
Like to all everyone.
I agree your point. But music is all people's. It's
Like to everyone. Yes.
like to everyone.
No, I object your point. Music is not important in student life. They music is not important students' life. They full time pass on music period. They will not focus on study.
With the help of music, we pray to God. Suppose some small children cry, then we say lullaby and we can make sleep to them. Yes. Music have power to express our. Sometimes what happen, we can't express our opinion through the words, but we can express our opinion through this singing. Okay, as per my view, I like music and music is also important. I have seen so many students who can make career in music and they can handle very well study also. Okay, means you have to make time management. How many times, how many hours should I give to study? How many hours should I give to music? Okay, if you join any other classes, then also their time limit is there, and you have to make proper management about the study, music or other activities. Dance activities are also there, sports activities are also there. Okay, so every any arts you should be follow. Okay, and everyone has a god gift. Okay, you should be maintain that, and you can make more publicity, you can get more publicity if you follow, or if you have any quality, if you have any art. Okay, understood. So yes, as per my view, music it should be required, and music lecture it should be there in every classes, then college level, school level and college level. Then only our life will become very enjoyment, joy can create no in day to day life. Okay, so you have put your well, yes, your first video session was there, and you have completed here 1 week also. And also without fear you talk well, good it is. And we will make one next video session, but that time I want confidence from you. Okay, I want more confidence. Okay, so thank you, we will meet with new video.